China has lifted sanctions from 3 slaughterhouses in Australia as relations between the two countries continue to improve. Sheina Selim reports.
After years of trade war that affected billions of dollars in Australian products, China once again took the step to remove tariffs from certain abattoirs welcomed by meat manufacturers across the country. Trade Minister Don Farrell hailed the decision as another positive step in stabilizing bilateral relations with China and assured that the government will keep pressing for Beijing to remove the remaining trade sanctions on Australian products. The Australian Meat Industry Council also welcomed the decision. China's lifted suspensions on 3 of 10 slaughterhouses in Australia, which means products from these facilities will now be allowed to be imported, pending final administrative processes by authorities. However, a number of meat establishments in Australia remain suspended. China lifted sanctions on imports of Australian hay in September. In the same month, Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese met Chinese Premier Li Qiang on the sidelines of the East Asia Summit in Jakarta and was followed by a meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping in November. In October, Beijing agreed to review the trade restrictions imposed on Australian wine, while attempts to remove tariffs on live lobsters are still underway. China imposed trade sanctions on worth $20 billion of Australian products at the height of diplomatic tensions between the two countries in 2020. Reporting from Melbourne, this is Sheina Selim, SMNI News, Australia.